Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up filing a claim on Travelex Insurance Services, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Travelex Insurance Services website. Locate the claims section on the home page. Click on the file a claim option. You will be directed to the claims portal. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If not, create a new account by filling in the required details. Once logged in, read through the claims process information. Click on Start a new claim to proceed. Select the type of claim you are filing, such as trip cancellation or medical expenses. Fill in the necessary personal information requested in the form. Provide your policy number, which can be found on your insurance documents. Next, enter the details regarding your claim. Include information such as the dates of your trip and the reason for your claim. Attach any required documents or evidence to support your claim. This may include receipts, medical reports, or cancellation notices. Review all the provided information carefully to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your claim by clicking the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your submission. Keep a record of this email for future reference. If you have any questions, contact Travelex customer support. They can assist you through the process and provide updates on your claim. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.